Welcome back to the First Time Homebuyers Guide. I'm your host, Tom Summers with Coldwell Banker. When you're talking about getting pre-approved for a mortgage, you can do it in several different ways. You can walk into your local bank and talk to a loan officer or your credit union, or you can talk to a mortgage broker. The mortgage broker essentially does the same thing that a loan officer does at a bank, but they work for an independent company that will take your information and shop for the best loan program for you among hundreds of lenders sometimes, depending on how many they do business with. There's a lot of flexibility there, and in many cases they can get you a better deal. Not always, but it's good for you to kind of have some idea of the different options you have. So I would say to you, just like I did earlier with choosing a realtor, interview some different people. See who would be the right fit for you and choose accordingly. There's nothing wrong with going to a local bank or going to a credit union. They're wonderful, or the mortgage broker. Just make sure that it's someone that's local, that will answer your phone call, that you can go and see if you have to, that will help you resolve problems to get you to the end, which is the ultimate goal of purchasing the home on time and closing. The only thing I ask is please stay away from internet lenders. Do not go online to get a loan. Now, it's one thing to fill out a form online for your local bank, but don't just type in loans on Google. They're always a disaster. Stay away from out-of-state lenders because they don't understand how things work in Minnesota, even though they say they do. When they're not here, boots on the ground, I wouldn't want to work with them. Plus, too, for me as your real estate agent, I need to be able to have that relationship with your loan officer so that if I run into problems or he or she runs into problems, we can work as a team to solve whatever might come up. I can tell you from 18 years of experience, when you choose someone online, it's a disaster. So please, if you don't hear anything else I'm saying right now, please understand, do not under any circumstances just go online to get a mortgage.